Hello, dear students. A very good day to you all. I hope and believe that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty because you are staying home and maintaining health rules. We are in the second wave of COVID-19 coronavirus. So, so we should all be careful about this. Don't go outside unnecessarily. Whenever you are going outside, maintain health rules. And when you are staying home, do some physical exercise regularly. You are also having your next quizzes, third quizzes. So in this quiz, you know the syllabus. There will be pronoun, classification of underlined pronoun. There will be adjectives, classification of adjectives, and there will be interchange of tense, present tense of assertive sentences. So welcome you all to online class. I'm Richard Gomez. I'll take English second paper of class 5 today, past tense. This is not in your first term. I have already taken few classes on present tense. So you will follow that tense and also follow pronoun and adjective classes for your quiz exam. This is from your second term syllabus, past tense. So what is tense? Tense is the time of accomplishing any action of a verb. There are three types of tense, present tense, past tense, and future tense. And all these are divided into four classes. That is indefinite or simple. That is for past tense, past indefinite or simple past tense, past continuous, number 3 past perfect, and number 4 past perfect continuous tense. So here are some examples and definition of past tense. What is past tense? Past tense describes an action in the past time. He joined the office last year. I was practicing music. We had finished our lesson before the teacher came. They had been playing all the afternoon. These are all past tense. Different types of past tense are here. Now, one after another. First of all, past indefinite tense or simple past tense. What is it? It describes an action that took place in the past and the result of which is no longer present. For example, he went to America last year. You had a nice pen. It took me half an hour to reach the office. She sat behind. Here the structure, if you follow the thing, the structure is here subject plus verb to, that is past form of verb, and the extension, that is he went to America. He subject went, V2, that is past form of verb, and then the extension to America last year. If I say he went, this is also past indefinite tense. You had, past indefinite, you had a pen. A pen is the extension here. It took, it's also a sentence. It took, past indefinite, but it took me half an hour to reach the college. So the extension is here. She sat, subject plus V2, that is past form. This is past indefinite tense. Now the second one is past continuous tense. It describes an action that was going in the past. For example, I was studying seriously for the exam. My father was helping me to prepare my assignment. Hassan was not doing his duty properly. The birds were making their nests in the garden. So structure here, subject plus was or were for singular, was for plural, were, plus verb ing, always verb ing in continuous, plus extension. So this is the structure. Now number 3, past perfect tense. It describes an action that was completed before another past actions. That is, two actions were done. One is before, another is later. So before one is past perfect tense. That is, he had gone out before we reached home. He had gone, this is past perfect. And before We reached out, we reached, past indefinite tense. If we use before, then past perfect tense comes first and past indefinite tense comes later. I had received an email before I was called to my office. But when we are using after, that is, we went for outing after he had recovered from illness. Here, after, when we are using after in past perfect, after actually past perfect tense come. That is, past perfect tense come later and past indefinite tense come earlier. Before, after. We started our journey after it had rained. So structure here for before, subject plus had plus verb 3, that is past participle, plus extension plus before, plus past indefinite tense, that is subject plus V1 plus extension. And for after, subject plus V1, that is past form, plus extension, that is past indefinite tense, and plus after plus past perfect, that is subject plus had plus V3, that is past participle form plus extension. Last one, number 4, past perfect continuous tense. It describes an action that was going on for some time or going on before another action. For example, I had been preparing my lesson for an hour. He had been living in London since 2010. You had been practicing harmonium before I came. It had been raining for 2 days. Structure: subject plus had been plus verb ing plus extension plus since or for plus time. This past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous are of less use in our English, that is spoken and written English. Less use. We don't use frequently these tenses. Now I am showing some changes of past tense. First of all, change the sentences into past indefinite tense. I have set 5 sentences here of different tense, and I am changing every sentences into past indefinite tense. So first one, number 1, Ruma plays badminton. This is present indefinite. So I am changing into past indefinite. Answer: Ruma played badminton. Does he ring the bell? Did he ring the bell? Number 3, I have heard the news. Answer: number 3, I heard the news. Number 4, you will prepare your lesson. Future indefinite tense. I am changing it into past indefinite. Number 4, you prepared your lesson. Number 5, Hassan was swimming in the pool. Past continuous. I am changing it into past indefinite. Number 5, Hassan swam in the pool. Now I am showing some sentences, changing it into past continuous tense. Number 1, we shall fly kites. This is future indefinite. So answer: past indefinite. We were past continuous here. We were flying kites. Number 2, he is going home. Answer: number 2, he was going home. Number 3, do the children swim in the pond? Answer: number 3, were the children swimming in the pond? Number 4, he has driven a car. Answer: number 4, he drove a car. Number 5, the boy has sung a song. Answer: number 5, the boy sang a song. Now the third one, exercise: change the sentences into past perfect tense. Number 1, we shall have finished the work before the sun sets. Answer: number 1, we had finished the work before the sun set. Number 2, we reach the station after the train will have left. Answer: we reached the station after the train had left. Number 3, he will pass the examination. Answer: number 3, he had passed the examination. Number 4, Sohail bought a shirt. Answer: Sohail had bought a shirt. Number 5, I have been informed. Passive. here. Number 5 answer, I had been informed. Now the last one, number 4, change the sentences into past perfect continuous tense. Number 1, Lippy has been sleeping for 2 hours. That is present perfect continuous tense. Answer, Lippy had been sleeping for 2 hours. Jahid is reading. Answer, Jahid had been reading for an hour. Number 3, Shaila sings songs. Answer, Shaila had been singing songs for half an hour. We can mention here times also. Number 4, the boy plays. Answer 4, the boy had been playing since morning. Number 5, he has been flying a kite since morning. Number 5 answer, he had been flying a kite since morning. So this way you can change every sentence, any sentence into past, different types of past tense, past indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So this will be from your second term syllabus. In your first term quiz also, and there it will not be there actually, only present tense will be there. So until next class, goodbye. Stay home and be safe. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you all.